On today's video, we are going to see if we can't get rid of a little bit of the yellowness in my hair. We're going to be doing this today with a new product. I just was walking through the hair aisles at Walmart and I saw this L'Oreal Purple Reviving Oil. So I don't love purple shampoos. My hair is quite dry on the ends and it tends to absorb unevenly. So I thought, I wonder what a purple oil would work like, especially since it was under $5 Canadian to purchase. So I'm gonna wash my hair and then we're gonna put this in and we're gonna see how it goes. Hair is all clean. Gonna shake it out. Let's see what these drops are like. I've literally never used this product before. I've never used any toning product other than like a purple shampoo or a conditioner or a real toner. But I know there's like purple mousses, purple oils, there's other purple things you can try. I have not tried any of them, so this is a first for me. So it does say on the instructions 2 to 4 drops. Because it's an oil, we're definitely gonna err on the side of less, and we can always add more if we felt like we needed it, so we'll go with 2 drops. Definitely very purple. It smells a lot like alcohol. It's trying to smell nice too. Has a nice smell, but it's very strong in alcohol, which makes sense because alcohol as an ingredient does help your hair absorb things. So let's just run it all through, but hopefully it doesn't dry my hair out. Now I do think that it being an oil will balance out the alcohol and hopefully do a good job. I mean, it doesn't feel like it's purple enough to do a whole lot, but let's find out. I mean, my hands are actually pretty stained, so I feel like I can see some of it in my hair, where some of my hair has like really absorbed it. We'll see. Now we're just gonna blow dry. All right, so the drops did a fairly good job. They pretty much did what I expected. I did get a little bit of purple. It's hard to see on camera, but you can kind of tell in the areas where my hair went a tiny bit purple. In the ends where it's porous, the same thing that happens with purple shampoo. My hair over absorbs the pigment in those really dry areas. And it's not surprising that it's a few of my ends because the last kind of couple inches of my hair is definitely still old bleached hair, probably a little bit on the ends. The rest for the last year or so has been dye, and that part of my hair is a lot less porous, a lot less dry, but some of my ends are still old bleached hair, and that bleached hair as opposed to dyed hair, it's not the same. The cuticle doesn't open the same. The process is different between bleaching hair and dyeing hair, and that bleached hair is way more porous than the hair that's just been dyed. So that bleached hair definitely absorbs more purple shampoo, but still did a great job on both sections of my hair. This is like ring light lighting. This is like natural lighting. I have a window on the one side and a ring light on the other. You can kind of see the purple there, but overall, it did a really nice job. It didn't make me silver. It kept my blonde bright. I do think overall it deposited less violet pigment in my hair than a purple shampoo would, which I like because purple shampoo, you do run the risk of making your hair look a bit dull or purple, more so than this did, especially if you overuse it. And this didn't make my hair feel as dry as a purple shampoo did because it's an oil-based product. Even though it does have some alcohol in it, it did not feel like it dried my hair out at all. So yeah, if you're looking for a purple product, give this one a try. Keep in mind, if your hair looks more yellow than mine did, it probably isn't gonna do anything. These purple products are meant for platinum hair. They're meant for hair that is very, very, very light yellow. Not orange, not gold, nothing like that. You know, you're gonna need a blue-based product or an on-level toner. If your hair is anything below a level 9, even maybe an 8, the purple shampoos aren't really gonna work. The blues even probably aren't gonna work. If you're a level 7, even possibly a level 8, depending on how much gold is left, you're just gonna need to tone your hair on level. Those darker pigments are never gonna look platinum with purple products. It's just not how science works. The science of hair, your hair has to be light enough to look that way. But if your hair is really light and still looking a little bit yellow, the purple products can definitely help. If that feels confusing, do not hesitate to leave me a question in the comment section and I will do my best to answer that for you. I can also make more videos. I do have some other videos on toning if you go back and look at my few videos from a few years ago. But if you guys have more questions, I can make some more videos on that to explain things to you. But toning is a much more complex system than a lot of people realize, which is why you can be so unsuccessful when trying to tone your hair, because there's a lot of people out there that oversimplify the process of toning when it's actually a very complex process. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful. Maybe it gave you a new product to try, especially one that is budget friendly. I'm trying to try as many budget friendly products as I can and not only always recommend the most expensive, because there are great products at both ends of the spectrum when it comes to how much you want to spend on your hair products. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like, subscribe, send the videos to your friends. Help me out to grow this channel. I love having you here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.